Yes guys, it's Jando. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this Boo Foghorn style bass in Xfer Serum. This is what it sounds like. And yeah, let's get into how I made the patch. Yes guys, if you're interested in copying sample packs, preset packs, one-to-one production sessions with myself, mix and mastering services as well as mix and mastering lessons, and a full drum and bass production masterclass which is built up of 10 plus videos, very in depth, then drop me a message on Instagram. My Instagram is @JandoUK. I will be launching a website very soon, so this will make it a hell of a lot easier. But yeah, be sure to join the Discord as well. Enjoy the video. So yeah, we're going to open the Xfer Serum. On oscillator A you want analog dB sine. We're going to drop this 4 octaves, take the random all the way down, turn on oscillator B, head over to digital hi-hat kick, and we're going to set this to about 70%, just like that. Take the random all the way down on this one as well, drop the level on both of them. Oscillator A, we're going to do FM from B. We're going to push the wavetable position to about 205, 207 is fine. And then we're going to get LFO1 and assign it to the wavetable position there, and then assign it to the level as well at 75%. We're also going to assign LFO1 to the wavetable position on oscillator B and set that to about 15%. After that, we're going to turn the filter on. We're going to keep it on MG load 12, set the cutoff to about 750, 766 is fine. We're going to set the res to 41%, and we're going to set the drive to about 30%. And then we're going to assign envelope 2 to the cutoff of the filter, and we're going to set that to -48. After that, we're going to go on to envelope 1, and we're going to take the hold, push it all the way up, the decay all the way up, sustain, leave where it is, and then we're going to put the release to about 170 ms. And then we're going to put the attack up a little bit to about 7. Go over to envelope 2, we're going to put the hold all the way up again, decay is going to go all the way up, sustain all the way up again. We're going to put the release at about 600, 603 is fine. We're going to put the attack at 2 seconds, 201 is fine. Now we're just going to flick LFO1 to trigger. We're going to put this on mono here. Then we're going to set the filters here and turn on oscillator B, noise filter and sub, and then we're going to set the rate here to 2 bar. And now we're going to make the shape, which is just going to be kind of a little ramp like this with a little bump at the top. It's probably the best way to describe it. Little bump. Next we're going to go on to the FX, which we're going to turn on hyper dimension. With this we're just going to drag the mix down to 10% here on the left side. We're going to pull the rate all the way down and then leave the detune where it is. And that's the patch done. Now we just need to move on to the post-processing, and I'll go over what I've used for post-processing, which is saturator, about 3 dB, plus 3 dB on a medium curve. We go Camel Crusher, which is just a British Clean preset. Decapitator, 7 drive, which is quite a lot. And yeah, we haven't touched anything else other than turning off the auto output. Isotope Trash 2. You can copy this. This is the only thing I've done here. So we've gone on to saturate delicate harmonics, and then left as is. A bit of reverb here. Ableton stock reverb. This is just purely for the tail end because it gives off a nice tail end. And then moving on to this reverb here. This is for stereo width, but we've got the mix all the way down, so we're not even using it, to be honest. But we're going to turn it up just for the sake of the tutorial, and we're going to put it at about 10%, which is going to give this nice stereo width. That's going to add from the hyper dimension as well. And then we've just got a EQ, which we're taking off the low end and then pushing some of the, like pretty much all the mid highs. But we can do this with a normal EQ8 as well. Take off some of these low ends, probably about 130 hertz, and then we're gonna bring the Q down and push that up. So yeah, that's the full patch, Boo style foghorn bass. You don't really find many of these in tracks anymore, but I still stand by foghorns. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it.